So basically, the mole concept is one which will help us to calculate number of particles in a given substance, or if they will give you the particles, how much mass they have given. That is what, to identify that, we will use the concept, call it as a mole concept. So if you take the mole concept, the most important thing which you need to remember is about Avogadro number. So what is the Avogadro number? Anybody? What is the value of Avogadro number? Everyone. So Avogadro's number is how much, Amma? Avogadro number 6.022 into 10 power 23 particles. So if you take the atoms or if you take the molecules, whatever it is. So if you take 1 mole of any substance, either it is a hydrogen, oxygen, carbon dioxide, whatever the substance you take, 1 mole of any substance, that contains what, everybody? Which is equals to Avogadro number of particles, which is equals to GMM, gram molecular mass of that substances. So that is what we studied till now. So we have two formulas for mole concept. One is first one, if the mass is given, so N is equals to given mass divided by molar mass. So this molar mass only we used to call something. Anybody can tell what is molar mass? Molar mass only we used to call it as a gram molecular mass. Means we have to take what, everybody? RMM, atomic mass, is just converting into what, everybody? Gram per mole. That is what we used to call it as a GMM. So for example, if I take hydrogen gas, so what is the atomic mass of hydrogen gas, everybody? RMM. Hydrogen atomic mass, hydrogen gas, everybody, please respond. Adi theriyadara? Hydrogen gas atomic mass, how much? 2 into 1, which is equals to 2U. Now, if I replace this U with a gram per mole, that is what we used to call it as a molar mass. Am I right or wrong, all of you? Please respond, guys.
Yes, sir.
Writing the atomic mass or molecular mass in the form of grams, we used to call it as a gram molecular mass, or we can say molar mass. Till here, I hope you all understand. Anybody having any doubt, you can ask me, or else we'll proceed further. So very, very important thing this is. So now, if the particles is given number of particles, given particles is given, so then the number of moles is equals to given number of particles divided by Avogadro number. Note it, everybody, the symbol of Avogadro number is N0 and the given number of particles is N. So based upon this, we'll study many numericals also today and we will do it. Okay. So note it, everyone, all of you. So these are the two formulas which we are using to calculate the concept, call it as a moles. So note it, everyone, whenever they are given the mass, if you see a word, call it as a given mass in the question. If you see a word given mass in the question, immediately your mind should say to calculate something. Anything, everybody? If you want to be silent, please don't join. I'm saying whomever it is. Prachane illa enak venda. No issues. So given mass, if you see the question, if you see the given mass, then immediately I told you to calculate what? You must calculate what? All of you? I told you to calculate something. If you know the given mass, definitely there is the importance of some other thing. What is that? That is what? You must calculate molar mass. Then only you can go for substituting anything. So one or two questions, if you practice it, definitely you'll be getting. And last class I have taught you, you might be remember that mole concept. If you want to get mole to the number of particles, number of entities. So number of entities or particles, you have to multiply with what? Everybody? Mole to the number of particle, you should multiply with something. What is that? Please respond.
N into NO.
Maybe what, girl? Something will speak. What is that? Multiply with what number? Avogadro's number. Understanding, Alaksha? That is I am asking. You want to get from moles to the number of particles, you should multiply with what? Avogadro number. So what is the formula, everybody? Number of particles is equals to number of moles into Avogadro number. Now, you want to get it number of particles to the moles. You have to divide with what? Everybody. Divided by what? Divided by Avogadro's number. Am I right, Mr. Pranav? So by the time number of moles is equals to given number of particles divided by Avogadro number. So that is what is we study. Next, from moles to the mass of a substance. Moles to the mass of a substance. So what we have to do it, guys? Multiply with the what? All of you. Please tell me. Multiply by
Molar mass.
Molar mass. I know many people you all knows, you have to tell. Then from mass of a substance to the moles, what do you have to do it? Everybody. Divided by what? Molar mass. You are going to be 10th class, not going to 7th. So unless you shows the interest, nothing is going to progress in our life. I'm saying you again. So number of moles into molar mass will gives you the mass, and number of moles is equals to mass by molar mass. So these are the formulas, and this is the concept of mole or mole concept, which we learned in the last class. And now we are going to do the numericals also related to this. So let us see. So this is the book PDF which I have shared you in our group also. You can go through that. This is the old book, and you can have the mole concept also. So learning something, I think till here everything I have taught you, everything you practiced also in the offline class. Now molecular mass only we have. So mole concept is here. You can see mole concept is same for everything, for the ionic compounds or covalent compounds, doesn't matter. Most important thing you have to remember here is 1 mole of any substance is equals to what? All of you. 1 mole of any substance is equals to what? Avogadro number, which is equals to relative mass in grams. Relative mass in grams only we used to call something. If you take RMM in grams, we used to call it as a what? Everybody, we used to call it as a molar mass, or we can say GMM. Very good, Nivedan. So gram molecular mass. So that is what you have to remember, everybody. So most important statement, one single statement, I will write it. All of you note it. 1 mole of any substance is equals to Avogadro number of particles or atoms or molecules, which is equals to GMM of the substance. Note it. Extremely important point. 1 GMM means gram molecular mass of any substance is equals to 1 mole, which is equals to Avogadro number of particles. I hope you all are clear. Anyone having any doubt, please kindly let me know. I will ask. I will explain. Are you clear, all of you? Sanjay?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
So that is what you have to remember. So this is what is mole concept. Now let us solve one by one example, and symbols please learn. Number of moles. What is the symbol of number of moles, everybody? N. Given mass, small m. Given number of particles, capital N. Molar mass, capital M. Avogadro number of particles, N naught. So these are the symbols which you need to learn very perfectly. Okay. So now let us start everything. Calculate the number of moles for the following. Okay. 52 grams of helium. Write it, everybody. I will teach you. Write it, all of you. How much given? 52 grams of helium. 52 grams of helium. Shall we start? All of
Yes,
you?
sir.
Yeah. So now I will show you the atomic mass also. Now you can see what is the atomic mass of helium. How much you are expecting? Helium atomic mass.
4.
4. Understanding? So what is the helium atomic mass, everybody? 4. 4U. Okay. That's why I said given question, if you notice it, mass is given. So immediately I said you, calculate the what?
Molar mass.
That is the primary thing. Very simple. Later I will show you. So now you see, mass is given and asking us to calculate the moles. So we have to use the first formula or second formula? Everybody. First formula or second formula?
First formula.
First formula. Very good. So given mass is 52 grams. Now we want it what? Molar mass. What is the molar mass of helium? Everybody, write it. Molar mass of helium. How many number of particles? Helium, how many? He, 1. So 1 into 4, which is equals to 4U, which is equals to what? 4 gram per mole. 4 gram per mole. Fully you write it. 4 gram per mole. So I'll substitute it. 4 gram per mole. So something will get cancelled. What will get cancelled? Gram will get cancelled. Mole will go up. So 4 ones are 4. 1 will come here. 4 3s are 12. So N is equals to how many moles? All of you. N is equals to how many moles?
13 moles.
Purima, understood? Girls, boys, please.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So answer if you verify. So, but here see, they will never solve the molar mass separately. Unless you solve, please don't go for it. What is our primary duty? If you see a given mass in the question, your mind immediately say one thing. What is the point it has to say? Everybody, you must calculate, all of you,
Molar mass.
Molar mass.
That is very important. Do it. Understand? Hasini, Princey, Mr. Gokul, numericals. Just see, note my word. Just fall in love with the numericals. If you want to do something, 9th, 10th, 11th, 12th, if you want to really be good in, particularly science, most of you go to science stream, I know very well. Numericals only will make us our analytical skills, all our thinking abilities, everything will be by progressing the numericals only. That's what I'm saying. How much you learn the theoretical knowledge does not have any progress. Only thing, concept learning, immediately how to implement in the numericals. That's the reason. Even you question yourself, you no need to say to me, how many of you are having a difficulty in numericals? Definitely, either it is a physics, chemistry, mathematics. Many of us, we have a fear of mathematics or physics because of, oh, you numerical erika. Adida romba kashtam erika. Just I'm saying, everybody, those who likes physics, those who not likes, the difference is the only thing is they don't want to solve numericals. Definitely they are having a problem. That's all it is. Next, A question completed or not? Everybody, A question completed. Next, B question.
Yes, sir.
How many particles is given? Pakranga. 12.044 into 10 power 23 number of helium atoms is given. Atoms is given. Finding moles from number of particles. So which formula we have to use it? First formula or second formula? Make it quick. All of you. Second formula. Understanding? So what is the second formula? Tell me. N is equals to given number of particles divided by Avogadro number. What is it required to calculate the molar mass here? That is what is my question. Is it required to calculate the molar mass? All of you?
No,
Is
sir.
it required to calculate the molar mass?
No, sir.
No, because particles is given. So it's not required to calculate the molar mass. I hope you understand what I'm saying, everybody. Clear, Mari, Mukesh? Yes. So that's all substitution. What is Avogadro number? Everyone. What is Avogadro number, guys? 6.022 into 10 power
23.
over. Substitute it. Learn that value. Mr. Sailesh, learn this value. I'll ask you. This is called it as Avogadro number. Understand, Thambi? Everyone learn. Next, what will happen? M number of particles. What is the N number of particles? Pakranga. This is what. So 12.044 into 10 power 23 divided by, what is Avogadro number? 6.022 into 10 power 23. So very, very simple. You can see 10 power 23, 10 power 23 cancel. 12 ones are, 12 twos are. Understanding? Everything is over. 2. So how many moles? Sorry, up will come 2. So N is equals to how many moles? Over. Everybody. N is equals to how many moles? 2 moles. Understand, Shivani? Agalya?
Yes, sir.
Verify the answer.
Yes.
Very simple. So 6.022 ones are 6.022 twos are this one ones cancel. Answer is 2 moles. Oh, how simple it is. That's all it is. No need to see the answer. If you are a confident, your answer has to be like verified. Verification is only progressing. Simply seeing the answer and solving means you must solve before seeing answer. Book answer they'll give. It doesn't mean that you can go through that and you can learn it. Don't try to learn the concept from the numericals. That is my sincere request. That is the first strategy you have to apply. Learn the concept, okay, and then go through the numericals. Don't try to learn the concept from the numericals. By solving 100 numericals also, you don't understand the concept. But if you are good in concept, every 100 numerical can be solved very easily. Don't expect that 100 sums I'll put, sir. Can I get the understand the concept means? You have to first learn the concept, then go to the solving numericals. I hope this question is completed. Everybody, shall we go to the next question? All of
Yes,
you?
sir.
Yes? Mr. Gokul,
Yes, sir.
I want to you, Nivedan, I told you, everything I need to get update about Mr. Gokul. I need to see more progress in Gokul. Yes, Mr. Gokul, are you ready or not?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Good boy. You have to do Gokul. You're a good boy. Do it next. Write this question. 3.4. Calculate the mass of the following. Calculate the mass of the following. Be very, very careful. Okay. So write the question. I won't solve here. I will solve in the there. Then it will be good. How many questions, right? I want it. 0 point. All of you write. 0 point. 0.5 moles of what?
Hydrogen.
First, what they are asking us to calculate. Pakaranga.
Mass.
Yes, they're asking mass. So mass means immediately mind should say something to you. What is that? What is that? What is your mind is saying? I said you already.
Mass.
Yes. So if your mind is, if you are seeing it, it is actually, then immediately mind should say it is a what? Everybody? You have to calculate the molar mass. Am I right? Am I right or wrong? Everybody. So that's all. So let us see that now. All of you write it. We'll go through that. So 0.5 moles of N or N2? Tell me now. N or N2?
N2.
N2. N2 is a what? Molecule, atom. Atom or molecule? That is very important. Atom or molecule? Molecule. So you have to be very careful. So one question I'll solve here, later we'll solve it. So first, given number of moles, how many moles given? 0.5 moles. Okay, next. Mass they are asking. So immediately you should calculate molar mass. So what is the molar mass of nitrogen gas? Number of particles are 2. What is the atomic mass of nitrogen? Atomic mass of nitrogen 14. So which is equals to 28 U. So 28 U I will write it as a what? Molar mass. 28 U I will write it as a molar mass.
28 gram.
28 gram kadayadu. Gram per mole. Adida important. So now formula. What is the first formula? Second formula? Shivani? First formula. N is equals to given mass by molar mass. So now they are asking mass from moles. So what is that? Multiplication. Mass from moles. Number of moles into molar mass is equals to mass. Over. So given mass is equals to number of moles how much? 0.5 moles into molar mass 28 gram per mole. பார்க்கறாங்க எல்லாமே. Mole will get cancel. And 0.5 means 1 by 2. So 1 by 2 into 28, which is equals how many grams? How many grams?
14
Everybody.
grams.
14 grams. பார்க்கறாங்க book single line answer. But உங்களுக்கு this much you have to solve. Everybody must solve. That is the difference between if you solve and if you copy the book answer. This is the way we can identify either you learned or you copied. Do it. Clear? All of you? Any doubt? Anybody can ask. Yeah. Once you solve only, I will proceed further. Okay, va? Mukesh? Tell me, Mukesh, completed? Niroshi? Pranav?
Yes, sir.
Sam, understood, Sam? Okay, next. Next one you see, everybody. 0.5 moles of N2 kadayal. Here, only what? What they have given here?
And
N. N means a what? Atom or molecule?
atom.
Atom. So,
Atom.
now again same thing. Mass is equals to number of moles into molar mass. So, but here, now this time molar mass of N. So, N, what is the molar mass of N? 1 into 14, which is equals to 14U. Am I right? Yes or no? Everybody. So, 14U means what? 14 gram per mole. Over. So, which is equals to mass is equals to same 0.5 moles into 14 gram per mole. So, mole will get cancelled. 0.4 into 14, which is equals to how many grams? Everybody. How many grams? Mass. How many grams, guys? 7.
7 gram.
Over. Finish it. Alfin, understand Alfin? Kavya, solving.
Yes, sir.
So, Jai Krishnan, solving. Tambi, Prithvi.
Yes, sir.
Any doubt, ask me, please. Small doubt also, don't hesitate, ask me. I'll explain. Niroshi, understand Niroshi?
Yes, sir.
These two are what? You observe very carefully. Mass from moles. Mass from moles. Next one. Particles. Particles is given, but they are asking mass. So it is a single step or two-step processor. No direct connectivity, single step or two-step process. Particles is given and they are asking the mass. So of course, what I said, whenever they are asking the mass, immediately your mind should calculate what? Immediately you have to calculate something. As everybody. All of you?
Molar mass.
Molar mass.
Note it. Given particles. Then I will go to that page and I will say. Shall we start now? So what is the given number of particles, Nivedan? Given number of particles of what? Ni, N2, check it that, everybody. So third subdivision. What is that, Amma? 3.011, 3.011 into 10 power 23 of what? Number of N atoms. Number of N. N means what? Nitrogen molecule or nitrogen atom?
Nitrogen atom.
Atoms.
Atom.
Now, what is the question? Mass from number. What is that? Mass from number. So, we have to combine two formulas now. So, mass means we have a different formula. Number means different formula. Of course, mass means immediately you have to calculate molar mass. What is the molar mass of nitrogen? Everybody. Molar mass of nitrogen. Make it quick. 1 into 14 U, which is equals to 14 gram per mole. Am I right or wrong? Everybody. Yes, please.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Now, they are asking, see, all of you, mass from number. So there is no direct formula. So number is given. Number is given means we all knows that. What is the formula? Everybody, number is given. Number of moles is equals to given number of particles divided by Avogadro number. Yes or right or wrong? Am I right? So what is Avogadro number? Tell me. We all knows. Nobody will say that. You have to tell me. Avogadro number. 6.022 into 10 power 23.
to 10 power
Yeah.
23.
Next. But they are asking mass. We want mass. So mass is given. What is the moles formula? Mass is given. What is the moles formula? Make it quick. Mass is given. What is the moles formula? Mass is given. What is the moles formula? Given mass divided by molar mass. Am I right or wrong? Yes?
Yes, sir.
Both LHS is equal.
Mhm.
LHS is equal means what you have to do it? RHS also equal. So N divided by N naught is equals to M divided by M. So we want M now. So small m is equals to this capital M is in division. Will come this side. What will become? Make it quick. It will become what? Multiplication. Purima? Understood? Please respond. That is what? So which is equals to N equals to 3.011 into 10 power 23 divided by Avogadro number 6.022 into 10 power 23 into what is the molar mass? Pakranga, how much is the molar mass?
14 grams.
14 gram per mole. So I will write 14. Okay. So which is equals to M. So now you can see 10 power 23, 10 power 23 cancel. 3.01s are 3.02s are 2 ones are 2 sevens are. So what is the answer? Given mass equals to, given mass equals to how much?
7 grams.
Grams. Do it. And sir, this doubt sir, you can ask me, I will say. Kishore, Lingesh, clear Lingesh, Darshan, Abhirami.
Yes, sir.
Mom, no need to hesitate. Please ask me. Small doubt also I'll explain. Sanjay, I hope you understand, Sanjay, this question. Any doubt, Sanjay? Solve it. Solve neatly, everybody. Am I clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes, sir.
Do it, do it. Primara Gokul. Agalya. Any doubt you can ask. Next, last part. Fourth part. What is the question? You can see that. What is the last part, everybody? You all can see that. Mari solving or Mari?
Yes, sir.
Next see 6.022 into 10 power 23 number of N2 molecules. Then again same formula, same question. But particles are now just double. So given number of particles, given number of particles is 6.022 into 10 power 23. We all know Avogadro number also how much? 6.022 into 10 power 23 only. Do you understand, everybody? So you no need to worry about it. IO sir, same number is given. How sir? Let them give. Nothing will happen. And but now given N2 or N2 molecules, N2 gas. So molecules it is. So what is the molar mass of M? Molar mass of nitrogen equals to 2 into 14, which is equals to how much, Ra? Yes, please. 28 gram per mole. Am I right? Yes or no? No, again same thing. So mass is equals to given particles divided by Avogadro number into molar mass. So over. Given particles is 6.022 into 10 power 23. Avogadro number also 6.022 into 10 power 23 into molar mass is 28. So 1. So what is the given mass? All of you. What is the given mass? 28 grams. Over. Any doubt anyone can ask me. Shivani, you're not there in the meeting. Anything doubt, you can ask me, I'll explain. Before question you see, Shivani. There, see, that's what I'm saying. Either atom is given or molecule is given. You have to be very extra careful with that. I hope you are clear, everybody. What I'm saying? Extra careful, and you have to do it very, very precisely. That is very, very important. Any doubt, ask me. Shivani, you also. Do it quick. Okay, so we'll start. All of you.
Yes, sir.
So this is what. Now you want to consider the answers. Either you're having a doubt, you can verify. But book madri you cannot solve. Directly answer coming adi use kadayadu. Okay, you should learn. But here they are solving two-step process. Adida enak venda. Everything you finish at a single shot. That's all it is. So what you need, your uniqueness, you go ahead. Nobody can stop. Okay. Clear, everyone? So that is what is the answers. You can check it. Next. One more question. I will solve and then you have to finish it this all. One I will teach you, remaining to all. Okay. Next. Calculate the number of particles in each of the following. But you see, guys, it is opposite ulta. 46 grams of sodium atoms is given. And they are asking now number of particles. Here itself I will solve. So what is the given mass, everybody? Given mass. How much? How much given mass? 46 grams of sodium. So mass is given. Whatever they are asking doesn't matter. If you see mass, immediately I told you, immediately you have to calculate what? Immediately you have to calculate what?
Molar mass.
Molar mass. That's all. Molar mass of sodium. Yes, Nivedan, what is the molar mass of sodium?
22.
1 into 23, which is equals to what? What is the molar mass of sodium? 23 gram per mole. Okay, wa? You understand? Clear, Ama?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So now they're asking what number of particles. So what is that again? Two formulas we have. Mass is given. What is the formula? Mass is given means number of moles is equals to given mass divided by molar mass. Number of particles means given number of particles divided by Avogadro number. So equate RHS. So what will happen? M divided by M is equals to N divided by N naught. Now we want given mass or given particles. Everybody. Given particles. So before capital M come this side. Now you send Avogadro number this side. Over. So given mass divided by molar mass into Avogadro number. I hope you all catch the point. Everybody clear? Everybody? Yes, please. That's all. So given mass is 46. 46 divided by molar mass is 23 into Avogadro number. Do it fast, everybody. So 23, 46, 23 ones are, 26 twos are. Over. Am I right? Guys, all of you? So answer is 2 into 6.022 into 10 power 23. So if you multiply 2 6 are 12, you can see the answer. So how much is the answer? Just a minute. Yeah, 12, double it is actually. That's all it is. So 12.044 into 10 power 23 sodium atoms. That's all it is. Okay, guys. Small doubt also, please ask me. I will accept. Okay,